In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily insert special characters like the mu symbol into a Microsoft Word document. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you frequently work with scientific, mathematical, or technical documents. Let's get started by first opening your Microsoft Word file where you'll want to insert this symbol. Once you have your Word document open and ready, the next step is to head over to the Insert tab. You'll find this at the top of the application, nestled among other tabs like Home and Design. Simply click on Insert and it will reveal a range of options for enhancing your document with different elements like tables, pictures, and more. But today, our focus will be on adding an equation. You'll want to locate and click the Equation button. This resides within the Symbols group, and clicking it will open up a new equation box directly in your document. Think of this box as a little window into a world of mathematical expressions, filled with all sorts of possibilities that can elevate the content of your Word file. Now, with the equation box open in your document, you've got a virtual sandbox to play with various math symbols. Let's move on to typing in your desired special character. In the box, type the # symbol followed directly by the word mu, that's MU. After typing +mu, press the spacebar on your keyboard. Voila! You've just transformed those simple few characters into the Greek mu symbol, right before your eyes. This straightforward technique requires only a few quick actions, but delivers significant impact by allowing you to enrich your document with specialized content effortlessly. It's especially useful when dealing with equations or when you need to incorporate certain scientific notations that standard keyboards don't offer directly. There you have it, an easy and efficient way to integrate symbols into your Word documents without breaking a sweat. Whether you're preparing a detailed technical report, composing an academic paper, or laying out any text requiring special notation, this method keeps things smooth and professional. We've now reached the end of our guide on inserting special symbols in Microsoft Word. Remember, these small features can significantly improve both the presentation and functionality of your document. With practice, it will become second nature to you, saving time and avoiding frustration. Keep this trick handy and feel free to explore more of Word's capabilities to continue elevating your work.